This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the installation loop issue in Baldur's Gate 3. Follow these steps to get your game running smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam, right-click on Game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Sometimes antivirus software or firewalls can interfere with the installation process. Temporarily disable them and try to install the game again. Remember to re-enable them afterward for your security. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the game installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, uninstall the game completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source. Following these steps should help you resolve the installation loop issue. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the game support page for further assistance.